Sony expects the PS5 supply issues to continue throughout the rest of this year. We've already seen people scrambling to get PS5s. It's impossible to find them. And recently, the PlayStation boss had suggested that the PS5 supply would get better, that they would be able to meet demand. These delays would no longer be in place. But according to a recent announcement from the CFO said that I don't think the demand is calming down this year. And even if we secure a lot more devices and produce many more units of the PlayStation 5 next year, our supply wouldn't be able to catch up to demand. He said we've sold 100 million units of the PlayStation 4, and considering their market share, they don't expect demand for the PS5 to drop very easily. So already in 2021, Sony has sold 3.3 million PS5s. They moved them from January to March. In the first quarter, they sold 3.3 million. They've sold 7.8 million PS5 consoles so far, and they're expecting that should reach the same 100 million unit mark that the PS4 reached. But either way, they're saying it's just impossible for them to keep up with demand at this point, even though they are expecting to produce 14.8 million this year. It's just the demand is too high. So people who want to get a PS5, there still are going to be issues in terms of to be able to find them, and they don't think that's going to slow down anytime soon.